How to remove Instagram account from Account Center. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. Here, tap on the Account Center option you see there and scroll down and you will see the option for accounts. Tap on that and then navigate to the account that you want to delete and then tap on the remove option you see there. Now in the confirmation that appears, tap on the remove account option and then go through the guideline from what you will lose access to once you remove the account and then tap on the continue button. In the last confirmation that appears, tap on the yes, finish removing button you see there, and with this, the account will be removed from your account center. So this is how you can remove Instagram account from Account Center. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.